In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your Airtable workspace for maximum clarity and efficiency. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening Airtable and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your main workspace. This is the hub where all your bases and projects live. Take a moment to look at what's actually there. You'll likely see a mix of bases you've built for different purposes, and the first step to getting organized is understanding which projects, workflows, or departments each base really serves. Think of this as an inventory. You're identifying the core areas of your work that need their own dedicated space. Now here's the golden rule. One base equals one major system or workflow. So you want to create separate bases for each major project, department, or function. For example, you might have a base for your marketing CRM, another for a client tracker, and a third for internal project management. Avoid mixing unrelated data in a single base. That's a surefire way to end up with clutter and confusion later. As you create each new base, rename it clearly and consistently. Use names like Marketing CRM, Client Tracker, or Q4 Product Launch. This makes it instantly obvious what's inside without needing to open anything. Once your new bases are set up, it's time to populate them. Keep only the related tables inside each base. If you have a table about contacts, it belongs in the CRM base, not the client tracker. If you find bases you no longer use, remove or archive them. Archiving is a great option if you might need the data again, but it keeps your active workspace clean. After that, group similar workflows together logically. You might put all client-facing bases in one section and all internal tools in another, or organize by department. A consistent naming convention across all your bases, like using a prefix or a standard format, will make scanning your workspace feel effortless. And there you have it. You've now organized your Airtable workspace by separating your data into clear, dedicated bases. Your projects are easier to find, your workflows are more logical, and you're set up for long-term productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.